All right, so this very first RootsMagic video is just about how to set up the correct parameters for your RootsMagic file. So when you download RootsMagic, you should be opened up to a page where it asks you to create a new file. Um, so I'm just going to access that same page as you will see by going up to this top corner and clicking on File and then New. So that's one way to create a new file. Also, RootsMagic should automatically do that for you. Now we need to create our correct parameters for this. So the first thing it's going to ask you is for the file name. So just make this something that will help you to remember what it is. You have full freedom in choosing what to name your file. I'm just going to go ahead and name this draft, since we're just using this as a test or as an example. Okay, next we get the date format. So we are mainly concerned about you using the European date system, so day, month, year. We don't care about how you go about doing that though, so you can use this 10 Jan 1959, this 10th of January 1959, or the all caps version. For this, I'm just going to go with the abbreviated European system. All right, next it asks you if you want to display a number after the name of each individual in your database. So once again, this is totally up to you. We don't care if you do or do not have one. The options given are a record number. So this is where RootsMagic goes ahead and numbers every single person in your database. The number starting at 1, going up to however many people you have in there. So that might be a way for you just to keep track of who you've got in there. And then also want to point out the family search ID. You might want to have that turned on because that just might make it a little bit easier for you to toggle back and forth between family search and RootsMagic if you can see the ID. So those are some options that you might want to go for. For this, I'm just going to click on done though. Okay, it's also totally up to you if you want to choose to display your surnames uppercase or lowercase. We don't really care about that either, so whatever your preference is, I'm just going to leave it unchecked. Okay, these are the two that are the most important though. These are the ones that we really, really care about. So we want to make sure that you have check marks on for LDS support and for family search family tree report. By having that, you'll be able to import your tree from Family Search into RootsMagic, which is huge. So once we've gotten that, we want to make sure that this begin typing my information is turned on. And then from there, you can click OK. And we have created our own new database. So that is the end of this video. Very short, just making sure that you know how to get those correct parameters.